Hi guys, it's Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at LovelySkin, and today I'm here to tell you about OPULUS Beauty Labs and their take on freshly activated beauty. It was invented by respected researcher Dr. Rob Ackridge, who also created Clarisonic. The star of the show here is really the OPULUS Activator. Think of this device as your forever product jar. First, it melts the outer protective layer and then blends it with the inner core's active ingredients. Using a patented thermal blending process, it then heats the treatment to precisely 107 degrees, the optimum temperature for maximum skin absorption. The warming and blending process takes about 100 seconds from start to finish. Cleaning the activator is pretty straightforward. All you do is take a wet cloth and wipe out the jar, and then the same for the lid that has the blade. If there is still product remaining between the blades, simply pop the blade out and use the provided activator cleaning brush to clean off the excess product. This is the Glow Ritual Starter System. It comes with everything you need to treat yourself to a spa day at home. The Glow Ritual System is exclusive to LovelySkin. You can find it and all other OPULUS Beauty Labs products at lovelyskin.com. Thank you, bye.